right or window exit, 2 on each side of the aircraft, and a rear door that leads to the tail cone exit. Please locate the 2 exits nearest you. Keep in mind that these exits may be in front of or behind you. Emergency path lights near the floor will guide you to the emergency exit. The cabin is pressurized for your comfort. Is clear of the mask and place the yellow cup over your nose and mouth. Secure it over your nose and mouth with the elastic band, which can be tightened by pulling on tabs located on either side of the mask. The plastic breather bag may not inflate. Continue to breathe normally until we tell you it is no longer needed. If you're traveling with...
Here we go. Hawaiian, United, Alaska. Here we go. And we're up. A bit bumpy, but we're good. Oh, look at how we're turning. Well, see you later, Honolulu. Look at those mountains. That's cool. There's, yeah, downtown Honolulu.